You probably don't think much about your air fryer until the food comes out uneven, the basket feels too cramped, or cleanup starts getting annoying every single night. And yes, once you use one regularly, those little frustrations add up fast. That's why choosing the right air fryer matters a lot more than most people expect. So in this video, we'll be going over the top 5 best air fryer options on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly air fryer, a dual basket setup that can cook 2 foods at once, or a glass option for cleaner, non-toxic cooking, there's something on this list for you. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's go now and find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5 is the Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer. This is the best budget option on our list. If you want something affordable that still feels premium in everyday use, this one makes a really strong case right away. Compared to a lot of budget air fryers that feel underpowered or inconsistent, this model gives you faster cooking, crispier results, and surprisingly solid build quality without driving the price up. The standout feature here is the TurboBlaze technology with temperatures up to 450 degrees. That extra heat really helps foods crisp up better, especially things like fries, wings, or frozen snacks that usually come out soft in cheaper models. Another big highlight is the 6-quart square basket. It gives you more usable cooking space without taking over your entire counter, which honestly makes a bigger difference than people expect. Think about reheating leftover pizza or fried chicken. Normally it turns soggy in the microwave, but here it comes back crispy and fresh again, almost like it was just made. And overall, the user experience is excellent. It's quiet, super easy to use, and the ceramic coated basket cleans up fast, even after messy foods. Now, it doesn't have the giant capacity of some larger premium models, but for most people or small families, the size actually feels more practical day to day. Most users end up loving how reliable, fast, and easy this air fryer is. For the price, it honestly punches way above its class. Thumbs up! Number 4 is the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 glass air fryer. Best glass. If you like the idea of an air fryer but hate bulky baskets, mystery non-stick coatings, and impossible cleanup, this one is probably going to grab your attention fast. The core standout feature is definitely the glass cooking containers. Being able to actually see your food while it cooks makes a huge difference, especially for people who constantly open regular air fryers to check on things. It's cleaner, simpler, and honestly feels more modern. Compared to typical basket-style models with coated interiors, this setup feels a lot more health conscious and easier to maintain. The glass containers are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and there's no hidden buildup stuck inside hard to clean corners. In day-to-day use, that convenience really stands out. You can cook chicken or vegetables, snap on the lid, store leftovers in the fridge, then reheat everything later without transferring food to another container. It's kind of like having an air fryer and meal prep system combined into one. Another nice feature is the dual container sizes. The smaller one is perfect for quick solo meals, while the larger bowl handles family portions surprisingly well. One thing I've always liked about this brand is how intuitive their products feel. You don't spend forever figuring things out. Overall, it's easy to use, compact, and extremely easy to clean. Now, the cooking head does get pretty hot, but that's normal for this style and easy to manage once you're used to it. Most customers like the versatility, healthier glass design, and how practical it feels for everyday cooking. It's nice. Number 3 is the Ninja Foodi DualZone air fryer. Best dual basket. If you're tired of cooking one thing at a time and waiting forever for the second batch, this is exactly why the Ninja Foodi DualZone stands out as one of the best dual basket air fryers you can get. The biggest thing separating this model from most competitors is the 2 fully independent cooking baskets. You can air fry chicken in one side while roasting vegetables in the other, all with different temperatures and cooking times. That flexibility is a massive time saver for busy households. One standout feature is the smart finish function. It automatically syncs both baskets, so everything finishes cooking at the same time. And honestly, once you use it, it's hard to go back to a regular air fryer. A lot of dual basket models still make meal timing awkward, but this one solves that problem beautifully. Another major advantage is the overall capacity and versatility. The 8-quart size works great for families, meal prep, or anyone cooking multiple foods at once, making it ideal for larger households or people who use their air fryer almost daily. Now, some people worry dual basket air fryers will feel complicated, but the Match Cook feature keeps things simple by copying settings across both baskets instantly. The basket handles can show wear if constantly washed in the dishwasher, but hand washing helps preserve them long term, and cleanup is still pretty easy overall. You also get 6 cooking modes plus easy to clean crisper plates for more cooking flexibility and faster cleanup. And overall, this is one of the smartest and most practical air fryer designs out there today. Great choice. Number 2 is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus ClearCook Air Fryer. Best with window. If you're the kind of person who keeps opening the basket every few minutes just to check if your food is done, this Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook solves that problem better than almost anything else out there. One thing we immediately noticed is how useful the ClearCook window and internal light actually are. Being able to watch your food cook without opening the basket helps keep the heat consistent, which means crispier and more even results. Another important feature is the Even Crisp technology. It gives food that crispy outside and tender inside texture people want from an air fryer, while still using way less oil than traditional frying. What really impresses most users though is how fast and effortless the cooking experience feels. It preheats quickly, guides you with reminders for flipping food, and makes everyday cooking feel almost automatic. That's a huge advantage if you cook often but don't want to babysit your meals. You also get a spacious 6-quart basket, which is great for couples, small families, or anyone making larger portions without needing multiple batches. Another thing people appreciate is how intuitive the controls are. Even first-time air fryer users usually figure it out immediately, and smaller touches like customizable presets, dishwasher-safe parts, and built-in safety features make daily use even smoother and less stressful. Overall, people love this model because it combines strong cooking performance with genuinely useful convenience features, and that viewing window ends up being something you'll use way more than you expect. We like this one a lot. Number 1 is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. This is the best overall today. If you just want one air fryer that's reliable, easy to use, and consistently makes food come out great, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart is still one of the safest picks out there. The standout feature here is the Even Crisp technology combined with the square basket design. Food cooks more evenly, gets crispier on the outside, and you get more usable cooking space compared to a lot of round basket models. In real use, that means fewer cold spots and less shaking halfway through cooking, which people immediately notice when making things like fries, chicken, or frozen snacks. Another feature users constantly praise is how simple the controls are. The touchscreen is clean, intuitive, and easy to understand even if it's your first air fryer. You also get 6 cooking functions plus adjustable temperatures from 95 to 400 degrees, giving you flexibility for everything from dehydrating fruit to roasting salmon. One thing people really appreciate is how easy cleanup is. The non-stick basket wipes down quickly, and the overall design feels much less annoying to maintain than many larger or more complicated units. Compared to typical air fryers that either feel overly basic or overloaded with confusing features, this one hits a really nice balance. It cooks fast, stays relatively quiet, and the 6-quart capacity is perfect for everyday meals without taking over your kitchen. At the end of the day, this is the kind of air fryer people end up using constantly because it's simple, dependable, and delivers consistently crispy results every time. Highly recommended. Let me know in the comments which air fryer is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.